Hi everyone, welcome to Speakime. Do you want to speak English confidently and fluently? Imagine this, in just a few minutes every day, you could start speaking English like a native, even if you are a beginner. Today, I will show you 5 simple steps that actually work, and stay till the end. I will share a secret tip that most learners never hear about. Let's begin. Step 1, learn basic words and phrases. Start with basic words and phrases, this is your foundation. Learn greetings, hello, hi, good morning. Introduce yourself, my name is. I am years old. Ask questions, how are you? Where is? What is this? Mini exercise, repeat aloud 3 to 5 times and use them in short sentences. Tip, writing them in a notebook helps your brain remember faster. Step 2, practice speaking alone. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, surroundings, or plans. Example. I am eating breakfast. The sun is shining. I will study English today. It may feel strange, but it trains your brain to think in English. Mini exercise. Pick 3 things around you and describe them aloud in English. Step 3, listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Watch English videos, cartoons, or short stories. Pause and repeat what you hear. Copy the pronunciation and tone. Mini exercise. Take one short sentence and repeat it 5 times. Try to sound exactly like the speaker. Step 4, speak with others. Practice speaking with others. Talk to friends, family, or online partners. Start small. Hello, how are you? What is your name? Where are you from? Remember, mistakes are normal. Confidence is more important than perfection. Mini exercise. Have a 1 to 2 minute conversation in English today. Step 5, think in English. Think in English, don't translate from your language. Example. Instead of translating in your mind, I am going to eat breakfast, just think in English, I am going to eat breakfast. I will study later. This is the secret tip most beginners miss, and it makes your speaking natural and faster. Mini exercise. Think about your next 5 actions in English and say them aloud. Now you know the 5 steps to start speaking English confidently. Remember, speaking English is not about being perfect, it's about practicing, speaking, and believing in yourself. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to join our English learning family.